Hi, welcome to Lesson 2. This lesson will be looking at a teacher as a professional. Remember, in the early childhood world, it is so important to think of ourselves as professionals and how we're going to move our profession forward. So, again, you're going to get into your learning materials and overview. This will be your overview of the week. You'll have your readings. Make sure you're doing all the readings and using each and every one of these readings within your assignments. You'll have your viewing. Again, use the reading and the viewing throughout your assignments. In the module this week, we have Yellow Dig again. You should have gotten the hang of Yellow Dig last week. So you know how Yellow Dig, you have a certain number of words that you need to get in to get full credit, and then you need to respond. So this week, we will be looking at Code of Ethics, NAEYC Code of Ethics, and Ethical Issues. So make sure you're reading these before you post to Yellow Dig. And then when you post, make sure you're thinking about these questions. This is what you're answering. Why is it important for a professional to have a code of ethics? And then respond to the dilemma of this 3-year-old here. Remember, you are making your post and then you're commenting on your peers' post as well. You also have a writing assignment due. And in this video, I do not need to go over the full writing assignment. My wonderful colleague has made a YouTube on this assignment, so get in here and watch that. And then we have another assignment here, and this assignment has a rubric. So remember, get in and look at the rubric to see what you are being graded on. But this one, you will be reviewing and reading both of these articles, and then you will be looking at an example and using this rubric. Excuse me, this template. So if you look at this template, you make your copy. And this template is already all laid out for you. So it has your standard, your key element, and my goal. And if you look at the example, it'll show you what a great example of a professional standard example that was scored very high. So there's examples in here. So make sure you get in and look at both and make sure to use the template. So this week, we have those 3 assignments. And remember, every week we are looking ahead. So last week we looked ahead to developing your professional philosophy. This week we're looking ahead. And as this pulls up, you will be using the work that you do this week in lesson 4. So you'll be thinking of an intentional interaction plan, and you will be continuing to fill this out and use this all the way to lesson 7 when you submit your professional philosophy. So in lesson 4, you will be referring back to the goals that you just wrote in this lesson. And at that time, you'll choose one of the goals, and using a template, you'll create an intentional interaction plan. So this is the stepping stone to coming up with a complete plan. I look forward to seeing all your assignments, and as usual, I am always here to help. Please reach out if you need anything.